Hey everybody, thank you for stopping by OB Enterprise and seeing one of our new products we've come out with. This is an elimination kit for Adams Rite door locks. The kit comes with the 2 screws, 2 washers, 2 backing plates, 2 mortar cylinder blanks, and a faceplate. With this first installation I'm going to show you today, we won't need the rubber tubing which holds the faceplate off because we already have the mounting tabs in there. So we're going to use this in the second half of this video. A few tools you will need for the installation can be a set of side cutters, Phillips screwdriver, and a 7/16 or 8mm wrench. Okay? So what this is designed to do is anytime you're removing an Adams Rite lock out of a door, aluminum storefront, and you need to blank the holes off, you may need to do this for a couple of different reasons. You may need to do it because we need to remove it to install a panic hardware on the door per fire code. It maybe just need to be eliminated because somebody put 2 locks on the door and now only 1 is needed. So what we're going to do is kind of give you a quick rundown on how to install this on the door. One of the easiest ways to do this is to start out with, I usually just take the plate, put it through the hole in the door, and then just take this and screw it right on the nut that sticks through. Okay. Okay. We're going to spin around to this side. We're going to catch the other side. It does come with a couple of washers for each side. Those are used if you have very thin aluminum doors. In most cases the doors are standard and you won't need them. In some cases you may. So we do provide the washer in case that is an issue that you have with your door locks. Again, we're just going to push this through the door. And we're just going to start this up just like this on top of the nut. We're holding it through with our back of our fingers. Line it up, snug it down nice. We'll take our wrench, snug both pieces down in the door, just reaching right through, right down this way. And as you can see in the cavity right now, there's enough room for a vertical rod device to be able to still go up and down inside the door. Next, we're going to take our faceplate, drop right on the front, take our 2 screws that were part of the lock that we took out, put them in, snug them down. Everything is complete on the door right now. Nice and smooth looking finish. We also have this in a Duranotic finish also. Socket aluminum and Duro. The next installation we're going to show you is on doing this if you did not have the tabs in the door, where the screw holes were left in the back. I've already installed the plates for the outside, as you saw in the first video. What we're going to do on this portion of it is now is when the rubber tube comes involved on how we're going to make this work. What you're going to do is the lock, when you pulled it out of the door, had 2 screws on it. You're going to take the screws, put it through, slide onto here, and you're going to just mark it and cut this tube just a little bit back from where the threads are coming through. Okay? We're going to do both of these, and you're going to get plain enough tubing to be able to do this depending on whatever back set your lock is on the door. Okay? Measure that, pull the screws out. I'm going to cut this right on the black line. What this is going to do is this is going to give the screws some backing. As you set it in there, you'll be able to set it to whatever depth you need it to be. Okay, as you can see, I did not cut them back far enough. So I'm going to run these back just a little bit shorter. I need to have a little bit of thread of the screw showing on each of these so it can start it back in the back of the door. There we go. There we go. And as you can see, this will help hold the screws out and it's nice and steady. Okay, and the last thing we need to do is just take the faceplate, just set it in the hole, and we're just going to screw it down. You may have to move the screws around a little bit till it catches into the screw hole. Don't hesitate to do that, because sometimes it just needs a little bit of wiggling to get it set up in the hole. Let's do this real quick. Okay. There we go. Here we are. We're all done. Nice flush clean finish. Cylinders are all covered. Again, we do have this in a aluminum finish and a Duranotic. Thank you for stopping by OB Enterprise.